The Trevolo S Electrostatic Speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Trevolo S Electrostatic Speaker by BenQ. The company reached out to me to review these speakers. And these speakers are different from your traditional ones that you may be accustomed to. I will go over the speakers and also provide some sound samples towards the end. I have included the link in the description below for the speakers. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get a user guide, a carrying pouch, and a micro USB power adapter. These electrostatic speakers come in two colors, white and black. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last up to 18 hours, Bluetooth 4.2, and NFC for pairing. You can also have a duo mode and pair two speakers together. The design of the speakers is unique. It does have some weight to it. And on the front, you have the Trevolo branding. The bottom has rubber base for stability. The top, you have the various controls. On the right, you have the LED power indicator, power button, volume up, and sound mode for a 3D sound. On the left, you have the LED Bluetooth indicator, Bluetooth button, volume down, and the play pause. The speakers fold in and expand when in use. So you're probably wondering, what is an electrostatic speaker? Well, without going into real depth, these speakers are different from your traditional speakers. Your traditional speakers use electromagnets that push and pull a cone-shaped diaphragm. With electrostatic, it vibrates air using a conductive panel, which are charged with an electric current. So what it allows for is less distortion. You get a very clean and crisp listening experience. But it does have its drawbacks, which I will cover in just a bit. Along with the speakers, it's powered by dual 12-watt woofers and dual amplifiers. The back has the micro USB port and a 3.5mm stereo input. With the speakers open, it's about 8.5 inches by 4 inches and height of just under 6 inches. With them folded, it comes in at about 2.5 inches. And as mentioned earlier, there is a bit of weight to it, coming in at over 2 pounds. There is an app available, the BenQ audio app. The app is pretty limited. You're able to see the battery life, toggle the 3D sound, and also duo mode for multiple speakers. I would have liked to see more options as far as playback controls in the app. So now let's listen to some sounds. I will test it with rock, vocals, classical, and jazz, and have a decibel meter so you can see, just for reference, the loudness.
All the night has fallen.
I'm very surprised and impressed by the sounds this speaker puts out. You really have to hear it in person to appreciate it. The sounds are very crisp and clean. The speaker does very well with the mids and highs. You can hear vocals and instruments very clearly, and distortion is very low. Placement is also key with this speaker. You want to place it on a stable base and not too close to the wall, since sound is projected from the front and also the back. If you are looking for the heavy hitting bass and lows, this speaker does not excel in that. One thing that I like, I was able to use the speakers without getting listening fatigue. It was just balanced for me. So if you like the clean and crisp mids and highs with just enough of the lows, these speakers will be perfect. It has an elegant design, long battery life, and it's portable. And I can't emphasize enough how clean and clear the sounds were that came out from the speakers. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.